This video was brought to you by the ILC. Hello there once again. Welcome back to our Exam 2 review. This time I'll be doing a problem that is similar to problem 6, where we are asked to find the exact solutions of this equation, 5x squared minus 10x plus 4. What we need to do is use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula goes negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the a is going to be this number in front of x squared, the b is going to be this number next to x, the c is going to be this number that has no letter. So let's try placing that in the quadratic formula. First we'll say negative b, so negative of negative 10 gives 10, plus or minus square root b squared, negative 10 squared gives us 100, minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is 4. All of this will be divided by 2a, or 2 times 5. Let's simplify under the square root first. This 4 times this 5 gives 20. 20 times this 4 gives 80. So we will have 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 80 divided by 2 times 5, which is 10. Now, let's simplify the square root further. We still have the 10 on the outside. 100 minus 80 gives square root 20, all divided by 10. Now we need to simplify the square root of 20. We need to think of perfect squares that could divide 20 evenly. Well, one perfect square that could divide 20 evenly is 4, because 20 divided by 4 would give 5. Or we could say, since 4 times 5 is 20, we can rewrite this as square root 4 times square root 5. But square root of 4 is actually 2. So we can rewrite this once again as 10 plus or minus 2 square root 5, where we substitute the square root 4 with a 2, all divided by 10. Now let's try simplifying this a little bit further. We can split this fraction into two pieces. The first piece will be 10 divided by 10, with a plus or minus in the middle, and 2 square root of 5 over 10. Now 10 divided by 10 cancels out completely and just leaves the number 1. The 2 and the 10 can cancel down as well, since 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our final answer is this: 1 plus or minus 1 square root 5 over 5. So when you write your answers, you can write them separately. The first answer will be 1 plus square root of 5 over 5, and the other answer will be 1 minus square root of 5 over 5. Those will be your two solutions to this equation. One final bit of warning: if this square root that we found earlier is negative, that means that your answers are not real. If you find that that square root is negative, you can stop at that point and say that your answer will not be a real number. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.